Hello gorgeous and welcome to another video. So today we have a hair banger. This was sent from UNice Hair, and I'm super excited about this unit because it is a 5x5 closure. It's a frontal body wave 22-inch unit, and the hair is absolutely gorgeous. Now, this is not the first time that I have had this length of hair, but this is the first time that I'm doing a closure wig. The difference between a closure wig and a frontal, girl, you know I gotta put you on because this is something I just learned, but it's actually the amount of parting space that you have in front of the unit. Okay, so listen, sit back and relax and enjoy your time. I'm gonna put all of the information down below in the description box, and I am gonna make sure to fully unbox this unit for you so that way you can see the texture of the hair and the install. Let me know exactly what you think. Hey, don't hold back, girl. Let me know your thoughts. But let's go ahead and get into this review.
Tell you my problems, meditating my silence. But I keep pushing my pen, rotating my stylus. Brokenness feeling like sin, now no breath, low dollar. Used to be left on red, now all the girls go holler. Now all the girls go follow, all the fake fans gon' pile up. I need peace to borrow, get that shit right back tomorrow. Somehow all the fans go bravo, smile so much to hide my sorrows. Faith is shaky and vibrato. I can't hold a frown too long, I can't stay down too long. Look, running from pain, running from strain, running from things, running from schemes. I can't hold a frown too long, I can't stay down too long. Look, running from pain, running from strain, running from things, running from schemes. Couple things I know, couple things I show, couple things I don't. I can tell you my problems, I can tell you my sins, I can tell you my problems. I'm uncomfortable in my skin, I'm uncomfortable with my ends, I'm uncomfortable with my friends, I'm uncomfortable with my drinking, I'm uncomfortable with my thinking, I'm uncomfortable with my ways, I'm uncomfortable in this space, I'm uncomfortable on good days, I'm uncomfortable on bad days, I'm uncomfortable with my soul, I'm uncomfortable with my heart, I'm uncomfortable with myself, I'm uncomfortable with my heart, I'm uncomfortable with my thoughts, I'm uncomfortable with my feelings, and sadly I'm uncomfortable with healing. I can't hold a frown too long, I can't stay down too long. Look, running from pain, running from strain, running from things, running from schemes. I can't hold a frown too long, Ceiling fan blowing cold breeze on your body. I can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in the morning, you got dresses in your closet, but you grab them tights, you in love with being modest. You a move body giving interviews, I'm just saying I'm amused. But you ain't even flexing, and you cool, tatted up, cover wounds, different vibe, you new improved. But you ain't even flexing, and you ain't gotta try too hard. Number one fan, your side, you applaud. Got me think about inside the walls. Words cut deep, it's like a sword. Making me better, you hotter than pepper, You with a big stepper who chasing the cheddar, All of these women, they not on your level, You like a mix of business and pleasure, You a move body giving interviews, I'm just saying I'm amused. But you ain't even flexing, and you cool, tatted up, cover wounds, different vibe, you new improved. But you ain't even flexing, 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 but you ain't even flexing.
I'm so proud of you. You made it all the way to the end. So listen, girl, this hair is cute. Even though it was a body wave, I like my straight hair to have a little bump in it. I know this is going to sound crazy, but to me, I best like it when my straight hair represents African American textured hair, like a yaki almost. But I enjoyed this unit. Y'all know I'm not one for the part straight down the middle. However, I felt like this hair was almost something that I could have done myself. I would have liked to spend some more time on getting it to lay a little bit flatter. Again, that's on my end. Love the unit, love the quality. Get into it. Get down below in the description box for the details.